Hey class, one of the books that I read to you is called Something Special, and it's all about this little raccoon who's trying to find his special talent. He comes from a really talented family, and he's trying all of the things that his family can do, and he's not having any luck finding something that he's good at. Until finally he tries painting and realizes that he's actually very skilled at painting. So, I wanted to share one of my talents. One of my talents is that I make signs with my family, my husband and I. So we paint the wood and we design what we want to put on them, and then we create the sticker on a computer, and then we attach it. So here's one of the signs that I've made. Here's another one of the signs that I've made. So your job is to figure out a way to showcase one of your talents. Maybe you want to draw a picture of what your talent is. Maybe you want your mom and dad to video a video of you doing your talent. Like maybe it's riding a bike with two wheels, or maybe it is cooking things or something like that. So I want you to think of how you can show Miss Stokes your talent.